As it stands now, from the look of things, it appears that Trica might be heading to the Supreme Court because the lawyer Oliver Vomawobaka, I say, the IAD, and say this is Supreme Court, and I say me, Ebekokodru. Nina, Trica versus FBI. I have Gossips 24 message. So be me a subscribe button, so now I click a bell notification icon. So now make how set up saying so bet me send this camera for video from USA, from Canada, from UK, from Australia, from Europe. That up saying available. I was I would doing so any other African countries. I also send this camera out by Ghana. Download the app our app store and the Play Store. Over registration for G24. What the G24 Eshahono area that send for office bia de bia no month bia ni season bia o ma obenya sa office ni na bi o send this cash is reference code the G24 that send no enye se mo rate papa nko almost as you secured or say mo reliable or mo fast so most scan the cause na quarter account no enya first scan do he na Atlantic Ocean so debi that send you no e ma command so I'm sure by now that you are privy to the Trica case. You know how far it has traveled until 27th of May 2026. Oh, Bese Magistrate Court. And August 24, the update. Everybody will say, Bese Magistrate Court, I'm a whole coin says, you release Trica body, and farmer US for. It was say, surrender Trica. And then my US for. It was on the 27th of May, they didn't will say. Court, based on Emrano HSA, 15 days until say the Trica, Ebema FBI for and USA for. Now with this 15 days there are a few things that was Trica lawyers they kind of say also prepare Trica for the extradition, and they say the Japadi be or money idea. Also buying getting involved. No more share. So business be more close business Ni na be running because Trica caught. Na so di be also about back to the properties and in the businesses So console that's so differ. I was say be as our business and as our properties Omodi be amode offsetting. Why say restitution any de kaka it is no money na or some we now within the 15 days buying be involved Trica lawyers be involved Trica busia for be involved no more is out to 20 now within 15 days so Trica were objection bia a man ho kwan so or objective but on to be objective or court because base magistrate court in there I concluded the case Trica or somebody in the court US or no can ask him and yes we buane for for but Omoma Hokwa say FBI for Enfano Enko. It is Trica objection be as 15 days obetumi akọ a higher court. Am I catch him say from the look of things it appears Trica beko high court. And Penya power call high court. I'm a high court. The edi kind a grantee bill pending the hearing of necessary application. Right now, sa application Trica they got two courts in him and Trica say court na sa application so dia and your mon granting the bill. It court grantee Trica bill of 30 million Ghana cedis. MH ko buy am mo variety bill mo vary bill e the man ni ade. But sa application that's what the court in him. Now and then on the 2nd of July 2026 and Trica ebe PM ewo Accra High Court hono eti mo anam hu social media sa Trica di High Court na koneba no na esa application no Trica pese court entwa ruling na base magistrate court de baye so mo fa ono Trica ema FBI for no court entwam now so calculate from 27th of May abepem the 2nd of July now to say 15 days na ba mana broso. Assembly court the real na they say Accra High Court and the ruling aba say Trica wama ho kwan say USA aban any FBI legal attaché na wo Ghana enfa Trica enko piemu e USA ho na they say gbese magistrate court ni ruling na ode bae judge no gbese magistrate court anya mistake bia enfum so bia ni judge na application judge e ruling ni mo ma ho kwan say Trica application omuji tuma eyeyi time me no ka say Trica application de ko to Accra High Court nim senka o percent ka gbese magistrate court ni ruling no de bae no omutwam no court ne se da bi otwam a enye yi or uphold the decision by the Gbese Magistrate Court IHS Abu Trica and was some no Emma FBI for.
Hey, I'm not in the mood to talk. I want also to say you can be chair nana mine
that's right.
You see me say court no man ruling on the habeas corpus.
I said the same.
Habeas corpus nka nipa mood nesi munyi nemra na man tanga na no ndi na sem organ ha enwi because our cases were court a onye nwi I fa asem now was sure e wo GG 11 and your way human rights to issue against the state and other way parastatals. You open even the FBI was also included.
Yeah.
So but then, judge say basic comment no valid in law. I don't make a statement about the evidence we being taken and all that. But we are checking say my chance for me and lead the evidence on the matter. I'm calling witnesses and cross examine. Nipa okay so on a accused person or fugitive no edges can be FBI for original so they be fan entrapment no more you know I say that basically comment are valid it's police for assassination no after year case one rescinded bill no ana order na kasa no committee order na kasa yeah apply for sexual rights say court in bongo and so court no so en can assassination me then the police force almost
engineer abane say no yes circuit court no e koto ana asem no so
there be in circuit court high court ba ko bion access we wo no sexual right wo
okay
all right
but me person here the reason or he's on bail and na per the ruling about ni police for asan so no is it that some of the charges for na abona na
and charge for
no the person here
yes oh bill judge no orders no one receive bill no or seek or pronounce on the validity of the committal of the basic court no yeah no order no case here extradition valid based on law.
Okay.
One case of arresting bill.
And they say next line of action here.
There was a sure I never boss our order neguno. When you see habeas corpus, moving this money number.
Okay.
I'm an tanga and no dinner semi.
Okay. They are kind of that leg.
Leg. Sure I know. No judge never true. So order you're correct and then you're correct.
Okay.
You know that wasn't her pay so over committee on. We know order no. Okay. Habeas corpus. You need panel. You don't need to see them panel. Na you must organ ha.
You.
Na fi any assembly of assembly.
Okay.
It is sure I know. Ghana police is a so moving. Say no me that say.
Yeah, I said that.
So to tie bi ya. Ebi a omo granting ni bill no di asemi akwana ban to etumi anye totoye no. Onye sa antotoye no. Se nia emra ne se no. Se nia be betumi handing over to FBI for. Inti Abu Trica ene emra ne hokeni ana se ne hokafo Queenie APA na the lawyers APA fi court today mo no Abu Trica ene omo MPA bi
Chalo where you go.
Ena yehu ye say Abu Trica lawyer Penny or ye Osajefo Oliver Vomawabaka aba betro ewo Twitter and I say X platform they say only Ghana has see ah to kwan oye adwuma what I say na isi ana wate say Abu Trica case no o ma fast track no so from the word no otumu say no more expect say case no ebeba na wie ye ntempa so sa no mu ni say case no omudi asem no akwaniaba ne ebeba ye omo more time but some o fast track no amba judge out na asem no so Accra High Court no a order say omo extradite Abu Trica mo fa ne nko US honomo asem we dey FBI 1 Abu Trica 1 na osusu say issue we no anhwa ebe traveler akọ the Supreme Court. That shows you the length Abu Trica already so but score no enye FBI 1 Abu Trica 1 FBI 2 Abu Trica 1 because FBI share 1 our Gbese Magistrate Court and Abu Trica share 1 with the bill. Now Abu Trica hwese nko be share FBI for 2 what I say na ndi nke bia human rights court na ka wa FBI for 3 eno na third match na ekwo so Accra High Court no FBI for ahye I say babe FBI to Abucheka one but Abucheka lawyer Oliver Vomawo Baka etra asem no ebeko Supreme Court enka ewo Accra High Court hono ebeko Supreme Court eno ni njina so a ogina samre aha gossip 24 High Court na maho kwan so mo extradite Abu say Abu be appeal and also one appeal. I'm sure say in the coming days no enebeche the law ema ho kwan say Abu Trica appeal whatever ruling at a higher court what you saying TBA ema ho kwan so betumi file all the necessary processes documents no the appeal court no jitu mu ajantum or betumi the Supreme Court na so then you know there are legal processes and I mean the rights it is within his rights into no enya de bonebi and e bia be kasa Abu Trica what I say higher gossip since for Magraheb.